aduanai mienu pepepe Kesben 93.3 live on Kesben television. And then so ebium ya boa foforo kra no ayede ebremu ene anopei. Ye cheche mu nyina kwaba. Eba program yi eso. Ene eye Tuesday. Kofi the 4th of August. Hey, what's when I started
Father's Day, isn't it?
Yes, holiday. Yes.
And to be a bank holiday, no. Okay, you must see no. And can say my care per year, and can send a much double. Because
you have a holiday.
You have the option of staying, say holiday to bet fee. But when you elect so by year, you might just saw the double the day's wages.
Was it TV radio? You call holiday, oh, that TV for the.
Let's go to a restaurant to approach. Let's go
TV for the radio. TV for the radio for an Elma management. You do be a new. I didn't incentives. It is happening, and I said, Tina said double pay. And this is a 1 hour catcher. What's it? Tom said, Mania Media, 1 hour catcher. Catch him, Sakesi. Oh, direct. Oh, not a catch him direct. Well, coward for a show. No. Won't count. Who's a coward for no down? You can direct near to Mr. Cobra. Yeah, papa no. Na sempo de o mano wa san biom o de kakaka bia be ka ho. Yes. Mana doso. Ene agbotire. Yo agbotire nke na bank holiday. O da kokoro be ka o mano. O de papa ba kwa be ka o mano. Nti mana ko doso. Yeah. Nti da ko ni say ene no holiday. Nti na senka etnefi. Ba ko radio TV I say so. Yes, render service man conform with you. Yeah. I see about. It's an over. I saw you double wages. Okay. And no, I said you double. All right. Yeah, you know. But I said the anonymous say, yeah, you know, daily nintino. Who now bed na, you know, the White House. Nobody decided to say, what or how much should I give my sons and daughters for today? Yeah. So I don't care. Nim say you daily wage. They can send the old na wage double straight away, but. Yeah, they are not able to make 20 no. When I decided this, okay, what or how much should I give my sons and daughters for today and their bank holiday? Because in a multi credit so many but yeah, no yaba. The bank holiday yaba. Double. Stephen Watson. Yeah, that's a pa. Now, Yansan can Yambo Janapa, Yababekana. Yansan, some Sakasun the owner, I said Ghana do come. Okay. I eat it, Papa. Okay. And Yansan because of my. Yansan can now. That's why Becca. You want that's what's up, Papa. Okay, Tiana Kwaba, 0507168557, 0507168557. Move on messages no Emre and SMS line no, and no 0244263902, and only WhatsApp line no. I'm between the videos, the messages I would offer so they abre one would live on Facebook no facebook.com/KesbenFM. Sanso na mo share YouTube no youtube.com/KesbenTV. Yeah, Twitter handle ne at Kesben Sports M at Kesben Sports M. Sanso na bit ma live on Twitter or twitter.com/KesbenTV. Bit ma download to Kesben FM app no so Play Store na host what me sharing live. Baby will be and I will hear live and so account Montana de Tony Ibn Massa Fachao what translate the foreign stories no every and then so na ye hwe ni mu em so sisi akasima dunum duna ina nondu abo Kofi say nondu Ghana time ana
I what I know is but in terms of respect because time the earlier date I think that one came with the time. Okay. But to move be postpone call the by the 4th August no they didn't specify time but what I know is na verdicts no.
Yes we in da wa ma e ba ya the ebeto manim any other stories and so ya baba no the ebre munyina Montana the Tony award winner Seboko Onyame adum. Okay. Yada Yankopon Asipa and the time no koye papa. And then so Evelyn Insia Asare, Commercial Santikotoko board member and a birthday. Okay. Enti enye daketwa kra. Ene daketwa. Enti Evelyn, I was so happy birthday. Yankopon yesre no. Say I cried in fear no Nyamini bebre be kan Evelyn ho a ye hu se na wasi anyi na hu na do tia no we send papa so Evelyn and we how many years 29 na 31 I want to be no aketiboke Yankopon hia ndodo mi hia no mi ni 2 kan 2003 asesen Joe, so me need two corners. I know
that. Noti. Evelyn is here as Mrs. Happy birthday. Name birthday.
Mrs. Nebadia, where Evelyn.
Insia.
Usu.
Okay.
Look on the Mr. Usu.
Okay.
But since I need the family name.
Okay.
And it's a Mrs. Big Dick and I quite Usu
become.
But Evelyn Insia.
I mean, Shroud, the Bia, my or the 100 cities are bar, so you can credit. Now, the channel.
Okay.
Evelyn, the
picture of the day.
Picture of the day, no. Or sponsor 5.
Okay.
The birthday, no.
Oh, yeah, that's
me push yama. So now, I can me push yama na fi or the account. All right. Yankwe.
I would win. And then some madam has said, my second anniversary in marriage.
Oh, okay.
Need 2 years to pay. December time.
That's nice.
Or say, there was a body and some uncle some cries.
All right, Yanko.
While in Renal soon tend to find in summer echo so uncle for across the Enshas here and Fenfrin telling Antonio Conte Bofu ye power also about Pontina or no and so at TTB at the Emala Publica Kraka Tana and Ra or mobile Pontin said Antonio Conte energy before Edu Como said a bear. Sorry free or no Antonio Conte ever Samsa Bear manager Eddie Amajuven and La Public and Centronia a friend Sir Franco Vani Eba Pontin Ebetuja Antonio Conte were dinner Sanyano Koda Sonny Inter and answer Juve 44 Etim Asia or and so Edin come for a possible return no man manager and so and from a Jubel Twala Case or best you Sakura Kratanaf in Centronia or this story in Eba Pontin the Moko Court Nafi Court and so Etimi are compensating no Bokwa Kratan and then Franco Vani or no and so Etimi Abonica. And now Jive etoma hu siesie so weekend we omo enso ebo against Lyon e wo UEFA Champions League na dia ba ane se Paulo Dybala and now otim etwene no pa ono enso etim akoye shake up ono enso ebetimi afisha e de ma Jive abra omo enso any Lyon enso ebo second leg round of 16 in the UEFA Champions League afena no pa ya and Chris Smalling enso etimi atwetia Ode na se e de Emma the Old Roma fans ni na se Manchester for etimi akatini London shot nya de a omo Emma extension se unfinished Europa League no which Roma name obo season we pe league no Manchester for asanso arekole Chris Smalling e the message about Pontia ono enso e de Roma fans na se one year ban Roma fans no enso etimi anta na chiye pa na Friday and Saturday UEFA Champions League game be koso no e na Barca for prepare for game a omo enso Napoli Ebeshia na enra ene ne ye kwatete ba some training ground so formation na keke setien epeso use and some 3-5 na just say back 3 na urem or midfielder we use 5+ na for attack no we just 2+ so ho enti Mark Andre ter Stegen abeda Paul mu na for ne back 3 no and so akwakoye Nelson Semedo Gerard Piqué and Clement Lenglet na infinity 5 no and so akwakoye Sergio Roberto or the Jordi Alba Ebabeka Rakitic Ricky Puig and Frankie de Jong na for attack no and so akwaye Messi and Suarez in tier 3-5-2 and the formation as 10 or no and so prepare Barca force against Napoli no and so ebetimi abo na Martin Braithwaite akwadana Barca for enso ekrofa in January ya on loan on to us edini permanent no say Barca for nya jatum say Canada abada that Martin Braithwaite from Ayrton na a 2 teams from the Premier League and Everton and West Ham any Barca din komedu eche pa 20 million euros ama Martin Braithwaite so abesi akan enso etimi edi amom na Barca wan kwada bia edom beba next week abra Barca for so I prepare for the following season. Enti after my game against Napoli, no, and a Barca and Quadano, and no more, Tom last January, some of them call no, and so any first team, no, and so a betting atrium until Francesco Trancao. I'm a Pedri, Charles Alagnan, Matthew Fernandez, and Auriel Busquets. No, next week, and a Barca and Penny for Mama can say, any first team, no, and so better nothing next year, remaining on the Barca, and so first team, no, and so team NC I can. Now, Rafael van der Vaart, so a former Real Madrid player, or says a Madrid air concentrate pardia, Bibia ebetimi ensiwa brand, and so any Man City airball, or some say City air advantage first leg, or more eba banaball, ebe Shamadu 2-1, Nelson Madrid dear, or more ebetimi qualifying and say, or some concentrate, or really focus, or more ebetimi any qualification, or sound so up Ramos Abaso, say we are defender bien wa obedu Ramos ne level and Ramos obetimi abobo at age 14 po na Ramos eguso obobo because ohen ho so ye pa o training very very hard and I think that and so am ohesu ye we enen sama Rafael van der Vaart so aba bonten ede abetoja na Danny Murphy a former player say ono enso Rema TV Planet ono so ko TV so a na our church na dwin bi also oka e dey check Gareth Bale say emena so Sanso ko park no so ko enjoy game married onya more playing time ebiro ho na ot bench mad this squad mpo ontimi enjoy ne enti also team ekọ back to Spurs na for team ekọ enjoy life all football me biem enti footwear I'm Danny Murphy etimi ede ama Gareth Bale enso eno no na Takefusa Kobun remember the Nicole Mayoka fon antim an survivor omo enso ekọ Spain omo esokon the bi no na so many teams ana epe Abranten on loan make us say Bramley for enso nia bra omo epe Takefusa on loan and then so rather for a player no every man Spain na otimi enya more playing time with a Spanish club in Tibamini Dino and ya dia and enso ebetim abaswe HSN Sevilla our chances on waking after Takefusa Kubo Akodana Madu for Enso Edney Colum. I'm this year. Yankon, I'm Liverpool for Enso Asway. Na Fabinho, a Liverpool for Omo Enso Ahmed Foda. Ono Enso up pledge in the future. Let him add I'm Liverpool solo dear. Na all free France, Monaco, Abel Liverpool, no short na. Etche Persia can add Liverpool Bayern, ne Dyson, at him about so trophies yet. YGBA pa. Enti on Pesabaswa, or Besso Tenase, na or train, na Onyanto Boise, Eba Bomont. Liverpool Bobo Kono and so etimi calling to one Jimmy say oh bear 1 year or 2 years time we free Liverpool no was in the Caribbean or person tenache na otimi eboa Liverpool team no omo enso eya bakoseman and enso edorso eme husky so be a car almost Liverpool ebe here backup o nim hon am Sadio Mane Firmino any Mo Salah omo be here backup or say backup bia any babia also munya gidi our front three na obi aka omo say Bobby Firmino ye player or Liverpool for pay do ya de echen Firmino or say Firmino yo bia or ya de brutant ni kwanza Liverpool for enso epe player for front enso ebe kan anim ho omo enso e front three afa Bean Sports almost on 20 bakwa your friend say her feet and so about Montin say Liverpool ebe am first signing this year na am first sign on ebe team iron am Aisha Mendy ono ebo Adema Real Betis Boboko no a defender and so be the first player Liverpool for am enso ebe team assign no na Silvino say Bobby Firmino enye player a season obe team am 40 goals na so mo na player na eden do park no so e chen goals a ono enso be team ashin team a mo the goals ejeje Roberto Firmino so nya de ebe team aboa sa o stadium ho na already we are Firmino track it back na the ball control na ono ane nim ho Liverpool for system use so any kwan so the goals ejaje into obi a almost 40 goals a season na so money there there e bro so ye panti we any some Silvino and so etimi ede atuja na Sergio yeah the Chelsea Man City yeah the other teams so mo Jesse Saba yeah the Liverpool thereby Manchester na no pay ya omo enso ede omo home case omo ebe use so ede aba pontina eno an ye show in the life or Kesben television so Facebook and so kwa obetim ahwe bi kama enti difference and shada any this year Jesse Manchester Eshe and after next year Jesse Manchester for ebe just that we know as a white kakra enso wo man am a red dominant Adidas ne ebom Manchester Crest ne egu animu and after Chevrolet no so ebom kama omo enso ebetim ayusunti am original one the players nation opebia and on £100 and £100 not just one and best 7.2 lemon opera play cardian and no a person I'm 64.8 I'm a pounds it is ka ko be okwa onso benye bia 20 the back Ghana sika and no person I'm 46.8 Ghana cedis not just say I'm what is sika na obetimi akoto Jesse Manchester for and so etimi ede ababontin to replica on I have 46 Ghana cedis 80 pesos now for United Jesse no onsa and so etimi akana kama na Fred Manchester for MF for this year and nema koyepa under only in next year also Manchester for it's me fighting for all trophies omo enso April into competition by Manchester be could be also me try now United for I'm etim edu crew ono enso esi so next week Ella William any teams outdoor ebedi nkomo because next week the not just the contract no awi anesan say obeko as free agent at the Emma Chelsea omo enso eboboko no na say the Arsenal for nia bra omo enso any Willian ebedi nkomo officially and next week and William and Arsenal for ebedi nkomo 3-year contract in the Arsenal for enso etimi prepare enso etimi edi amano da na okọ in na Chelsea any team omo fight say 5 substitutions na o say ka ho onim say uvam to one the coach Nuno Espirito Santo so no penifo enya adwen covenant na this year amoka say yema 5 players emem assobs cover number form into next year league no I was back to 3 substitutions name Chelsea there edge James also son and 5 substitutions no also no enso etim adwuma after Crystal Palace and so Elton refers Zaha na ebon aba form ukita 30 million pounds as a Joe obetim akọ na refers Zaha no on set me aka award winner I'm fancy
and you can say you jacket no so so ndi wajai say na
o debi
ana
o debi
where's no na this week means what
na mo cha me mia
okay but we be mia we no go mia then content
debi
okay
tell me tear futu
we mia no we no go mia then content na ma
debi
all right come we run live okay when television
so cast mo semiti
okay
I say na so nyede
all right you can say u timi mia cha mikini on say this also I start
obi mia
let me go on say efe
ademi say na holiday
no holiday na address
holiday
and friend is on go casual
na say your co party no
oh the party so ben na say
ademi no party ko ana say we party we be film
Tony emia che
Derby
ele say uzo start me I know wa maso mon fa camera to
what ye ni party ko
we why fe
oh boy onyo nti ada party we mi mu ana
wo say ubeko bi ugo
na fia den ene me no na ko tiri obo white
je fita bia be ko party sana oga all right
na the party room yen tudi
mani na aje
oh no
woni jim
ana
me ka chiro iti me ka chiro
woni aje and now holiday
yeah
afane o
nyamia bibi
nyamia bia ma eno I didn't go through ana
so too much
I didn't go through
it didn't massive fita
go through
yanko
go did so na be so person go did you go through
I go through today
na how so did you go and na me ni je
empafu eti ye sheda ye and ma me se wa ne ba Django okay ma me se wa asafo
oh the band friends eh Django okay
Django
ma me se wa kwa there
and then when you 7
oh ma me se wa
and ma me se wa mame also last born the ma me se wa nua ketwa very mampuko
okay
and then also 10 years
wow
the ma me se wa ba ene
nua ketwa
na birthday
the same day oh ma me se wa happy birthday
Django I want happy birthday and mampuko ya I am mama last born
happy birthday pa
I wish him happy birthday
obemku nkwan
ya mimba nya ikakara mfanya nkwan mankola no oi nana yesa ngama ma type but
ontimi intro
na mekaya minga so ontimi intro okwa are as we mu school mama when are freezer wana okọ eyiwo
school bi no
mama enwi o start ya na mse ujaye all right and our friend I'm so on WhatsApp to be me my yanko as a for pa men yehwe man bi wuri yanko
Vena Active isu a edepa minerals and vitamins and a folic acid ewom minerals folic acid and the vitamins asubum konum Vena Active ni bi Vena Active there se nu ni isu a obia enum evise minerals and then vitamins and then folic acid ewom inti so pins
muda banafi yeso ya pesa mukakra
toma kro
toma now the aba right inti meko Alhaj Ashai Baba ho na mahwe de Alhaji so ababo no e de ebrafi na Alhaji unity ukodi sala minima me kasa na usrim kasa
Sejo
ya Alhaji
ya me mo abotre
amen so hu ye de
Sejo alhamdulillah
de yango panse pa nam no so me hwa wa re papa
Sejo ya ma fetiwa
Wo say?
Se nyanko pa fi ko be to a.
No, wa we nam.
Ne say ni je say.
Ofun kura so ababa ai kese kaka. Wa we nam ne papa.
Sejo.
Ala die go you.
Sejo, me da Sejo. Wadaruma ai Alhaji Salia ne boyfriend Abu onu nuanom.
Alhaji Salia.
Ne Alhaji Salia ne ba.
Usikadi.
Usikani.
Ne ba.
Ne boyfriend Abu.
Okay.
Onu nuanom nyina me chia wo mo na TJ.
Alright.
Chapter 9 patron ton ayigo kuntumpu.
Alright.
So me chia wo nyina mo nyina baraka de sanda.
Omo bro nam na chacha na.
Sejo enye sam ketwa.
Okay.
Na ai Alhaji Katapila kaza sarkin tuba.
Omo bro nam no.
Sejo mo chacha. Na Mr. Raf so one to jama me.
Okay, I see.
To jama me.
Okay.
Na Bronco made free.
Wow.
Omo director no.
I see.
Mr. Rafrik.
Yankopon show me na. Every show me na.
Sejo. Mamenko House of Folk asoye. On say Star Life Assurance o moto ka House of Folk.
Yeah.
And na o maye hihye bi edem house supporters.
Mu ne hu ye.
Ka na de baba Sejo. Sese o pa hon tuma ko be side akusi ho. Ye mo league ye nyehwe.
All right.
Tie pese place ya tone ye pa mo ntuma ka ni nyina ka ho. Hihye da wo no.
Yo.
O maye wasi phobia insure. Idea of the phobia insure. Nema supporters o maya
Mfa good TV this mama why.
Nema maya supporters in the one was phobia UPP. That means phobia ultimate protection plan. And you one.
The LPM now you. Star Life insurance. We LPM now to now you.
Say yo, and LPM patch.
Okay.
The only them supporters I don't know.
Okay. What is it with Jessica?
Say yo the mum trust.
Star Life insurance. Or more LPM now better how I space here.
Say yo the mum trust.
Okay.
Joseph Esso.
Yeah.
Friday no. Also the contact has to focus on. Before recruitment committee ni sinkunya antintam na me adoma ne ombesan hia branch no se jo momiko la proca so ye simple wose referee Dugana Lakala la témoin Sofa Lopé Adjimate la moi le soir tout quoi Aboubou Jetwa Poupou la terre ça finit
and the French really deep.
That's the baby
according to la broadcast, referee referee Kala. Sejo was say we quality football. Na ukodi sofu nyame afre no. La broadcast we must say referee Kala say we football wa quality one ball asem bibia we inu afre mu ukodi sofu nyame afre no.
Kala na beka we tiro.
La broadcast na reporto. And I trust my source. Now, the people no can say what the work can say. What's the see how say we now can say what could this of any kind of assortment of
money. Can so good this of me. Kalana Nana, you can use what say anyone on be.
Say referees be my country.
I read Okaso
La Proca, please.
Me trim, we want to
La Proca investigation.
We want to
La Proca investigation.
And I know we namni
say La Proca investigation.
Good is over the way.
La Proca investigation. Was say referee Kala si wo hunu nyame wo ja football okodi sofo no sisi ha si wi a wo ka se wo hunu nyame na okodi sofo ni asoro ma hunu ma ne sare people no ka se jo o ka kwa se jo wo se wo de odwan free America na de bagana obisu me subani nya na nye we abrier club du Ghana club du Oboissé la playa faites la main appelez-vous appelez-moi sotomité l'accord, la chafi, la monnaie, la soie, application, tout là-bas. C'est du aussi player bi et au bois c'est fait une chafi au monnaie. Oh non, as good. Wagwan. Ça n'a pas panaka. Abrier aussi wagwan. Au cas quoi c'est quoi. Aussi chafi au monnaie au jugu babai. Ka ko no twa so e. O se a be me ya pa o se chafi au monnaie be register man ko fo ya be me ya o. Ça n'a pas panaka c'est jo. So be register man kufu ya be me kra ya sana pipa no ka se twere ni na kasa onyame a we botu go express dem di chato investigation de relégation sont sauté
Ojirimoa du Accra, la Centrale, la Western, Tinatope, moi, tout là-bas. C'est du according to Botuko Express say. Ni fiche moi wa ye fiko. Nyame adman ye share league na se a. Team so amobeko relegation ba ko be free Accra. Ba ko be free Central Region. Ba ko so be free Central Region ba ko be free Western Region. Na Ashanti Region den so cheki kakra. De mani cheki ni nyina ne se. Senka o kan kwa se o senka wura joja mo kwa be so mu dia. Ene kana na mankwa no na mankwa dia. Se jo ne kan microphone ko machiri futu am chanwa ka ko mboko relegation. Enso wura joja mo kwa be so mu no. Na amankofo no be page kakra ka na mankwa na amankwa nkwa de se jo kan kofo no be ko. Say na people no ka.
Okay. Alaj yedasi unya wura ha se de na amanfo bia etwai ni dwai. Enti minusa ni nyina nso aye ready. Enti edebesia na yadane ye ho abasisia. Kofia champion achi ewa ha Franco Naro enso wa ha Andikem enso atrase Newton Latte enso ayiniti ono so ejina konwa nti ye dan ye ho aba ye ne mu ewo bika ene papa ene holiday. Thank God it's holiday. Good morning, boss. I missed the weekend and yesterday's games because of NIA mop-up exercise. Today, dear, I'm home to enjoy my favorite sports on TV. Okay. The Twasubium, I say, yasem. St. Michael, so watch you na Mama Miami program. Why, Mr. Opa? Yesterday, I went to visit my pastor, and I was very happy to hear him say he doesn't miss Kesman Sports in the morning. Reverend Samson Kwekuamankwa, Faith Foundation Assemblies of God Church, Eviduasi Central. Rev, yechiao, yemwachipa, yedasipa, so far your program in Yago. Yedai wabasisia, and then yenimu it will be a kaye papa. Hey, Abranti, I saw powder imwa. Come say, na powder whole chin and you papa. Somalia did it. It's a big old rubber. Yeah. So then you just straight to say, oh, see, the nearest is on one of my powder is sent to me now. And our new gusu awo here now if you are gusu anzu 93.3 agudemu some midfield action. Full house Kofia Champon Andikem Naro Frank and Newton Latte. As usual, Mesha Sefri Andikem hona ya refresh. Sorry sir, eko kwa na fi ya to adwene so. Friends Ajiman, good morning. And pay emso waninye Admeni ni ano pay. Oh no, nipa no nene ball pa or Hazakis. Nana down for pa or free. Oh York. York. On in the G wafu. Who's our friends of G wafu? Oh Hazakis. No sabe G Champions League. 81, 82, 80, 81 over there. 80s, yeah, early 80s. So York Akabebi. Judgment Nini ano pay kra.
But this is the last time I got time. I'm say you are not being fair to Francis Adjman. Plan so casting this year. No, I can't already. Obi was 67 we are. Why are you? So
Muna Kwana Kwa.
Ne the same thing.
And came. So Ukra no Musu, so now so. Meanwhile, and
then white here.
You
are Yanko.
I Yoko.
Safa Gardens. Yoko live band.
Okay. Yanko. Yanko.
Said you.
Yeah. And you came Mako Nato. Okay. Said you.
One I first. We were thinking the cameraman who said you. Well, ahead of said you. Ahead of the Champions League games so weekend. And I said, you and a branch here, fan of Vinicius, Jose Paulo Jr. I do not have friend of Vinicius Jr. who say I can't Real Madrid no. And the cartoon a Twitter handle say 1% chance, 100% fit. And no trust here, Hala Madrid, UEFA Champions League. And only asema Vinicius Junior had got 2 ne Twitter handle. Na Jojo say oh chance him ni mo. First of all, 1% chance pe. And a do ho Emma team my friend Real Madrid. And 100% fit. This is a boy Ofri, a municipal of Jean Goncalo, a suburb of Rio de Janeiro, a owner of free, and he comes from Brazil. Sergio, he comes from a background that so mommy Tatiana, and then the papa and friend Vinicius. These are extremely spiritualists. Almost sorry, and their religion in Yagrokra. Inti ono so follow suit and no dia ba be pim e wo time e friend Real Madrid
mko Roman na
o me Roman for and said you so can 1% chance na ya sembe na oka he's talking about the chances of Real Madrid prior to that particular game e be ba so o Etihad so Real Madrid games so ma be ball Etihad ya o muntimi nya win against Manchester City e wo Etihad kra but said you know in totality a day na mo bia cast a game on mobile ball Etihad no Real Madrid any chance. First of all, they are coming to Etihad without Sergio Ramos, and in their last 6 games on my ball without Sergio Ramos no more win back. And don't forget say last season I know more ball run of 16 match against Ajax our home no without Sergio Ramos no they conceded 4 goals. In the almost say without Sergio Ramos their main man their leader and Obia will lead from the front in the team. Obo this particular season, Abraham Babaji the Spanish La Liga, and in their quest to come back to Europe, no more Babe performance, he was part of that particular team. In Tiebina Edamelitao and Abranti FN Rafael Beran. Sergio, they are coming without Sergio Ramos. Moreover, so such teams are Omotaya come back in the Champions League. Sergio, Omonia come back in a way. 2 teams depend on me come back no way. That is Tottenham Hotspur. Abraham Kosha Ayas. Ewo ya nkra farena. And the Manchester United the Korea mu Parc des Princes. Ekoshe Paris Saint-Germain. These are 2 teams I feel Champions League na CBC ne. Omotimi ay come back ni bi ewa away. 2 English clubs. But and the baby amado dey bag game no Manchester City home. So which teams so my come back in the Champions League as do Real Madrid den kan. You can talk of the Deportivo La Corona team. Omulusu 4-1 e San Siro. But omo ba Stadio de Rezo. Omo ba be share 4 AC Milan team, and that was a Milan team as I do. So sha na kwan na ba bia. The likes of Andre Pirlo, Gattuso, Nesta, Paolo Maldini, Costa Curta, and a host of other players. Shevchenko ni Inzaghi. So much quality in there, so much experience in there. These were established internationals. But omo was Stadio Rezo na Anfa. Barcelona again, Ekoro mu Roma. E was Stadium Olimpico. No money so mu betimi qualify and Roma tennis skills no in their favor. E mom yi Barcelona free. Barcelona now one of the biggest nights in European football. Abraham no money Paris Saint-Germain no. It was at the Stadium Nou Camp and omtimi here that particular comeback. Into Madrid in team. So we show home ba hoba omtimi be that comeback. Inti Sergio and no na to so ama manfo ka ama Vinicius so ka say Madrid e be din e dia mom say be bi omo gina idie in the Champions League no omo betimi akwa 10 niema so we Manchester City if he say if COVID-19 buy a restart league no 6 games omo bo e we Etihad no Sergio omo keep 5 clean sheets and some games no more winning na and this season so we Champions League games omo bo e we Etihad. They've just considered only 2 goals. And Europe na so oka team say ball, oka Bayern Munich, oka Paris Saint-Germain, oka Juventus, oka Real Madrid. Team say goals do pa in Liga and boy no. Team friend Manchester City 102. Enti team say yo, so such be omo nam say nyina bibia chese they are heading towards the next of the competition. Enti no and I'm na ye ding e di amamado de say omo betimi akọ na omo akọ akosisa niema Zinedine Zidane adi Champions League ne miensa it's so difficult so betimi anya coach obedi Champions League ne miensa apart from Carlo Ancelotti and Papa FN Bob Pesla ultimate Liverpool here no these are the 2 coaches alongside Zinedine Zidane omo betimi adi Champions League ne miensa so anything bibia betimi asi under the tutelage of Zinedine Zidane but say yo team now on na ekwa akobo no almost omo experience chem. But the reality is that so checking the form of Manchester City, any performance or more than a D in recent times here. A bad team say Real Madrid Bobo ni bet me akoda ne niam. So she team no mo dey kona. Zinedine is done the training sessions our year no or she so obebo Abrante F and Marcos Asensio e wo animu because from a Chilebesi mfimfini they were we baby ya. Eden Hazard our expert of the replace Abrante F and Vinicius Junior said yo the last time Oromo Etihad no or consider 6 goals. Oba Real Madrid no watching bench and injuries are hard as until only that strength, only that mobility. I obey him their room. I bet conjure magic Real Madrid. Karim Benzema has been part of the construction from day one. The experience in European night is not in doubt. But on proving time and again, say it drew be anyone here the to the soir in the Champions League. Obey me are taking Real Madrid to the next stage of the competition. The last time I know home, Emma, David Neres, Hakim Ziyech, Frankie de Jong, Van der Beek, Mobabe, you or Mafimo, Karim Benzema was part of that particular team. And that line, only the main man will lead the team for team my friend Real Madrid. But yet again, they stay at the Stadio Santiago Bernabeu and they lost by 4-1. And he said, Joe, Real Madrid Bobo Kono, chances are Vinicius towards 1%. No. So, far and yema. You're categorizing in the sporting fraternity, statistics, eye test, and whatever goes into the Champions League night. It is so clear. Such chances, no, say Joe, 1%. The only faith that Madrid Benya Vinicius Okano is about the team Madrid.
Okay.
Say Joe, on what the Champions League going to team BR? Team BR in Europe, I bet him they were about to when it comes to the Champions League. Again. Omo players as omo cast omo rise to the occasion. Omo bet him no omo body ye because omo ye players they are winners. You only need to motivate them for them to win. And Zinedine Zidane this year from the coaching fraternity, it was so clear. So only Marcelo Lippier Juma because coaching on any year Juma no also established internationals and so much quality players in year Juma. So only Carlo Ancelotti here, Juma. Obian say Carlo Ancelotti any one of the greatest tacticians here. But the Juma here to manage the players and get the results out of them. In the Ancelotti team be so actually team from number 1 to the last person. So Joe who say a team that is endowed with so bad quality. And the only idea as it is done is swing free man. So Joe or the baby Juma. But yet again.
And then Ebema l'équipe. I can say Zidane is the best coach in the world, followed by Pep Guardiola and my friends Jurgen Klopp and Pep Guardiola. Zidane in America.
Okay, Matthias.
Who share the Klopp, Iowa Liverpool. Now they compare Zidane. Then they way back ahead of for 30 years on your league, but still they say on the best coach in the world. Best manager ranking, latest ranking ever.
Sergio, the entire opposite is done the best coach, you know, they say, one. Social Madrid team now.
So only one in your dreams were fine.
No, Sergio, for a baby, Zidane is not the best coach in the game. No, he's not. And you're not the best coach in the game. But the French connection. And Sergio, to be given the best in the game, almost pick you from somewhere. No more do I baby. And almost shot dear Zinedine Zidane. It's not what say. So Real Madrid Bobo Kona Sergio. Almost 32 years, not Champions League, no more pound even be. And I your pains the Omo Beji, 1997, you're in Cruyff Arena. Again, almost Valencia. I was Stade France 3-0 at the Champions League debut. And then Fiorentino press by. Oba na almost share. By Leverkusen, I will be at the Champions League debut. They went off. Omoko off no, and Omoko for Carlo Ancelotti. Carlo Ancelotti by no, or the Champions League was Stadium de Lou. Sergio, they went off. Omofa coaches are no me established. Rafael Benitez Modest. On the by no, he was a Champions League winner. Who can one of the coaches so to me breaking the tie in the Spanish La Liga back in the 2000 with Valencia? It was Rafael Benitez. About Liverpool no, Liverpool so for years. 8 years almost the Champions League no money bill. And also by the unthinkable in 2005 after 3 goals down in the first half Oba Titi United the Champions League. He went to the finals against in 2007. Until Madrid for the banner so Joe Munich beating about baby. I'm fat. Now they brought in Julian Lopetegui. I'm fat. They brought in their former player in Santiago Solari, who was an achiever under your hands. He was an achiever and Vicente Del Bosque said, "You on so anfa because no one him own the tradition of Madrid. On so by anfa. Then the things done bad." Said you 3 consecutive Champions League. Until them di kaka say Champions League nature as the Miguel Munez obedi 2. You want Louis Valenga obedi 2. But yet again, ye ba benya bo personal team di Liverpool beje miensa. Ye nya Carlo Ancelotti obeje miensa. And said you so what's here Madrid. Last season no team ni kojo. They were embarrassed in the Champions League. Home against team my friend Ajax. Didn't down the team, it was destabilized. And Obiaka said the team is finished. Team near finished. They are changing the face of the team. One day or didn't be changing the face of the team. Emphasis done some review. And said Joe Oba and Juma why they say what transited team knew very well.
Initial stages grand name human.
Yes. Because say one of the websites was Spain the two just say or to 10 or share say classical income last year. A charm we no ba and said Joe, she quite offer so Eddie young guys be a rating night is working for them. The oya Juma is simple. Or maintaining spine no and what the young guys be room into the team no. Courtois or maintaining no. Or maintaining the 2 center backs Rafael Varane and Sergio Ramos and or maintaining Carlos Henrique Casemiro. Then straight away or the Abrantia friend Federico Barbadi Baba share midfield no because who say obey here will be at that intensity and the tenacity no or whoever support to Toni Kroos and Casemiro and Obenchi Luka Modric and he made sure say Oben managing Luka Modric games in the world just to rotate him in midfield. Now 2 decisions were key. Isco, Marco Asensio, Vinicius Junior and Rodrigo goes and say yo she coin of fast today Rodrigo be me in Champions League Rodrigo ball hat-trick. Look at the coin of fast today Vinicius and a young guy from nowhere taking over the El Clasico. And the game of Manchester City boy, look at how Vinicius tormented the defense of the Manchester City team.
Sana Brante Bako was so tormented.
Okay.
And none pay minima de Cafenu Chatwokrana, Menko Newton, and so ho Kakra. Your friend, Bernard Kudoji. Also, please, Sergio, remind and declare that Ajax overturned a 2-1 deficit by winning 4-1 against Real Madrid in the Champions League last year at the Bernabeu.
Or say Ajax and a return here. No, and
Ajax overturned a 2-1 deficit by winning 4-1 against Real Madrid in the Champions League last year at the Bernabeu.
And the opposite of Chelsea and Real beat me.
I said two teams in over tennis. I don't know. Did you say that?
Martinez.
And all Ajax.
Yeah, I understand. I was talking about teams that Omako overturning will be home. Yes, and I'm a Manchester United. And then can't Tottenham Hotspur. Yes, no, I understand. Martinez.
Okay.
Oh yes, the Ajax team is part of it.
Okay.
Yes, and also one of the teams say your major team is on my head the comeback baby. A bit here who chebi. Oh no, I'm not saying it is not part, but the American is a comeback no. You analyze and I see a put to scrutiny. Say Joe, a bit here who chebi. Manchester United here no. Against Bayern Munich or New Camp, Liverpool, and even the quality and the team that are assembled so is so much important. It is so important.
Okay.
And he said, "Joe, Medimanusi no, the American United say, so here Jurgen Klopp, baby of Liverpool team ni free it almost a free Champions League, but the level of consistency, the level of stability, the kind of performance." What team put to this particular season in the EPL and giving Liverpool for the first time in 30 years and said, "Oh, I feel that Klopp is on the right track." Right. And for me, he's currently the best in the game.
And the Bernard Kudoji and the Ajatum, the Dasipa for reminder, Dasipa Munina Mokamona program. Come on. Why not put a minimum was wrong? Why ready, eh?
Yeah, Sergio.
Okay. Into my oh, yeah, fine.
And they are started from Champions League angle or share Man City ne Madrid game no or take to kakra and just this weekend yana game ne baso so me person me started from buying so the Chelsea game no now say Joe me share and you may bet me see and in particular me make reference to our first game e kan e call so our Chelsea home no ya nyina ni Chelsea form say and the amount for bebre adwene ho ya the kind of form and as a game plan at Chelsea e dey be that game no but say Joe say we share that first fixture course now one player in particular or take key game no on his shoulders against against Chelsea no yeah Alphonso David so say me pese camera game no dia na me highlight Alphonso David the game no so much
Ghana ni no
yeah on Chedanya Ghana knees yeah sure to see 5-6 years in the BBC
ndio Ghana ni
kakra
okay
yeah
Alphonso Davis
on our screen so you share over the last 12 seasons all buying the last 12 months all moving from Vancouver Whitecaps with a fee of 10 million euros at about buying so checking the market value on the transfer marketer Arezia could do 60 million.
Wow.
So which means that when you exponential growth of 90% on that volume now buying it here the Cotonou 12 months ago no but say you compare the profile now on a full back and I say on your left full back naturally where your winger and you convert no and so many game ni nyina no ba be can highly technical full backs are obabubo mudino and say ka say no and even that 50 million or 60 no pona any other team be ba so mo be pen betua the fee no betua in the region of 80 million euros for this youngster. And based on certain factors, nama value no ashuti. One, any active playing time or buy when ya, and the pace of new growth over the last 12 months. I show over the game no. At the top club to say buying and ka pressure by one game no so. Na ka want to be meet demands and fans and the manner, especially replacing David Alaba our left full back position. But say Joe, what me are fitting who into that position with a plumb and the game are all bono. Or they never compare other profile. I know be say Gary Bale. The pace, energy of the game, very aggressive on the flanks, and how they compare. And they highlighted the game in the video. The first leg of both Chelsea, how Chelsea going into the game, Chelsea beat me finding an antidote to the pace because the game model is centered on pace. Now, me starting from the recovery.
Minim de narrow kakra de ebeka ho especially transfers no latest on transfer stories no.
Yeah, Sergio quickly. May transfer by Maminye Winter Mene 7:45 at Wembley. The richest football game Ebebaso. We are seeing a game as Sika Wumpa and next 7:45 Ebebaso at Wembley. We are North West London rivals. Fulham versus Brentford. On the Chelsea area ho Fulham and around the same area and a Brentford and so for about 4 miles and a separated Brentford and Fulham in Tiamvan say Fulham or KJTR it be a Brentford or somewhere very close rivals already at the playoff semi-final stage Oma Pam Wales for Namomako Swansea Brentford are accounting for Swansea City and Fulham and so accounting for Cardiff in TNA a very small area, a radius of 4 miles, and these two teams in every Eba Wembley, no mababo. They take it and they say, wow, be no, wo and I will be 20 teams on Bebo next season Premier League. A high drink akra, it sounds a Brentford Nankasan since 1943. Our call relegation, Oma fight several times, some 73 years down the line. Oma make 8 playoffs, Ninano and fa. And Tienebe brain, some more can say the beast, a brain in ye against Fulham. They have had a very good season. In fact, after COVID, Oshaya, almost 8 matches, almost winning until the last 2 are losing and Untiamo third. Omoni Fulham no a just goals difference and a separate Fulham Eddie fourth and Omuni D third. But interestingly, in the championship proper no, Brentford Eshe Fulham home and away. It makes Brentford enya more of some confidence over Fulham. I'm saying that is the richest game because so musha sika de man now they are about Premier League any the Obama the Obenyani they are doing it's around 160 million pounds sterling. Uluzu a wo championship tisem intushema anopay na me monitor ne ma wohwe West London one ma just supporters no ombenya na nko bi e stadium but unfortunately they can't go. So I've monitored it and there is just an Algerian boy Said Ben Rama. I'm sure that he will be the key guy at Fulham Bitmia say on Bitma holding. For me, from what I've monitored and progressing and everything, my dream say Brentford a slight favorite over Fulham. Okay. Transfers. First of all, it seems good news for Manchester United because Alexis Sanchez and our report on free Italy United any international
akasa area ma say there abrante ni deal no mo ye ne permanent na what na Inter but according to United for no say the talks egu so ayeko so Friday no and na deadline say ko return by Manchester United but the guy is still in Italy and make us say Inter for submitting the din aka list of players are omode koboetia hatefi e Europa League nim what it means is say deal no mo close so yo Anshea intent to atekumfa Manchester United but United ebe take off the burden of paying Alexis Sanchez on the basic wage a week £350,000 sterling. With the image rights ne bonuses ne adekanwa in 1 week no United is spending around 560,000 on Alexis Sanchez alone whilst playing for Inter Crano na United it US can be so what they are doing now is say enfanema Inter boy nankasa already said ni wages in na you know obeti so at Inter negotiating around £125,000 sterling so what it means is that Sebibia go through United will get him off our United wage bill no so na amano space say enfa other players emra emetu omuka enra there was about 3 hours meeting involving Ed Woodward and Borussia Dortmund empenyimfo Niepia Bontin HRZ 1 United and boy nankasa no 5 years deal has been agreed £220,000 sterling a week and Mbappe Tuano the number 7 jersey will be handed over to Jadon Sancho that is between United and then the boy between Dortmund and United no and now meeting no discussion you know Dortmund yeah ready say obe go beyond less than 110 million pounds sterling but what United are negotiating is in about 3 tranches. First of all, they are paying 70 million pounds sterling. There can be add-ons. Utimi boy United Momuji Premier League ombetu ya say, Omutimeji Champions League ombetu ya say, about 30 matches within the season, and now 40 ombetu ya say. Those are near more at the SCCNE. Now the Dortmund for Catcher United is more up to 10th of August. Side as on silly deal no more call or more pre-season and now say beyond that they will say they won't sell. Already Dortmund are contacted Abrante a friend Memphis Depay so that Jadon Sancho kwa Depay and Ebebabe in a replacement and they want to finish that deal on time. Sergio Willian and so Ekamea ko say the only Chelsea there no Eyaba ne wi ya no after the Bayern game say Chelsea Eshe Bayern there maybe they could still have the marriage but as things stands now no or Peninsula Bebo the return leg but after that no difference between Willian and Chelsea and they say Willian saw up a 3 seasons contract at age 31 Chelsea said they can only offer 2 years because of an age boy they say they be uncle and among offers no boy now establishing a family in London so he wants to continue staying in London and no Arsenal deal no I lucrative to Willian. This week is likely say Omoni Willian beat Maria Obe move wako Arsenal because Arteta wants him. And already a papa no manage Willian or very good relationship with Arsenal technical director friend Edu. On say Kia Jiricham no he's a Brazilian and also a close relationship with Edu. Already on the David Luiz Ekoye. I think he's giving Arsenal some 2 players and what Arsenal is saying is this week they are hoping say Ombit Mary Willian Deno probably they will announce it officially after the game involving Bayern Munich. It's transfer and them and somebody be but probably time into no you bet me at the CSA.
Hi General, it is a way a fair commenter. They should save her years. Willian at Chelsea 7 years only 37 goals with 30 assists. And they want us to feel we losing a prime Ronaldinho. Even the club breaking their rules to give him 2 years should tell him something. Lampard, Cech, Drogba, and Cahill couldn't get what we are offering the Brazilian. He can leave. It's a fair comment. Where you last about but if you cut another, but Chelsea is some command 2 years. I don't know who break your policy. It tells you how important he is to them. I know can say the fact say I'm in 2 years in say oh yeah we do so I don't know so can say on tiase na contrast son of us
where's the second team no okono you can say policy pass na for na they stick to it Arsenal after 30 unya 2 years crab and Arsenal watch into the sense of 3 years.
But I say Ukraine must also
and again Sergio, you don't just play by statistics. Statistics in Tinoano or
goals and assists.
And I think this is none of the goals of football or assists of football.
I mean, check credit kakra na yentua program no so. Meaning Tony Montana. My check credit no kakra. Why ni? One of the Kesman television 0244 263902. 0244263902. Wait there 30 seconds and I buy is here and the results not to be and some can confirm commercials no Yakoba and there in him say cast ruling no beba bonting and the Kobia ye won't pay with my bands and the program number here.
That's and then I hope because you see the last communication I cast the ban is up to the 4th of August. And today is the 4th of August. Except say they didn't specify time. One can time, but unlike the previous one, almost specified time. The way they don't want time, we say up to the 4th of August. And today is the 4th of August. So back close to the December. But I wish and hope, as Yagada and say, Ember before program no. So see we can, comment about.
4th no end 11:49 p.m.
No, but you see the good thing about the statement say up to. What I say, on Casa by the end of 4th of August, up to so. In fact, next expectation from Enra Dibena.
All right. Yantuas Unko Joseph, also the way free Sunyai about one professionals are in motion, others are still behind, talking about belongings. Whether Anaya Amponsa belongs to this or that, some of us believe he is a professional and will prevail. Happy birthday to Madam Evelyn Insia Asare. Unko Joseph, and I did we every Sunyai Aba, and now Santa Coco board no sushia. Na ye GD pass Emre, na see you from Abeto Ja Ababonte. Na oma confirm say see you ni na fe kotoko players no so kai woman omuntua ma boys no bosumi aketua na bosumi no omuntua no so no ye hobu say meeting ni mrewe no na no so no ma take decision on it a would betua the ama boys no any other major decisions e dey bi na wo hwese board no omo betumi akasa wo ho ne.
Well, so ni mi no na me hwe.
Ni mi no ana.
Ni mi no na e ka bi wo mu bata no de me pese me ka omo des scout ba akoka.
Oh, da bi ndese ne kaka de yemfa ni nyina nka nyanda. Eka. Oh. The players ni de no ne
others. So we say am say de no me hwe no.
Okay. Wa ko scout ni de.
Enku Joseph message no keep ma Saturday no ma bam.
Sao. Okay. Say oye has news oye ha wan ni.
Keep ma Saturday no ma bam.
Saturday no bam.
Saturday no ma bam. Say Enku Joseph Osunyan.
Communications in charge of communication for circles in our own.
Okay.
We don't want him again, period. I will sign Said. Why the Sadi I know Sadi Kim Faisal. Hey, Sadi Oti Hana Oti Abuabua. And also you don't want him again.
We don't want him.
Sani William Yelusuna Yelusu player power. Chelsea for United dance na Chelsea ni mo de. Na say na police guy ya o yi no wa say. Na William na team no.
Ono na say akura na say o
we don't want him again as say. He can leave. But say what he can leave. Share.
Most times no you know I command the sport
yeah.
Passion.
Heart of Folk I've known one of their fans, Nanaya Mponsa to Asante Kotoko as their chief executive officer. Heart have the men. Good morning. Okay, wait for Razak and Damongo. Razak Damongo. Okay, young Komra, your other messages will be then I'm supposed to do that.
Oh, midday bar. I'm saying, hey, sorry.
Okay. And that's Maradona birthday.
Hey, the Zugama.
Alaji Ali Maradona. Yamusha Alaji, happy birthday.
Maradona, happy birthday from Canada.
Yeah.
Madame for Sheikh Tofik. Saying and the birthday don't.
Oh, Sheikh birthday.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
of people. Everything is answering.
Hey, my small boy back also Drobo Foster as your birthday. Happy birthday, Foster Drobo. Kwame, why the winning here? Na Yemra local source.
Na said the way we see do no I asema ha dream party na me ne Tony discuss say o say for Kwame so
what's
edie so beti because the way
na say na bakwa ko bolo no mani ji una titi no wani aji
oh ade
koso na mbabe wi why the winning here?
First message due, second due, third due, fourth due. 054
but photo on Facebook
649 0350
okay
054
okay
649 0350
all right yes I have picture you Hans Edusape okay
now
whichever is on Zubu to be
why
whichever
wanka
na me is also the voice no kwa obansa no akwa aba.
This is the best sporting.
Hey, me mama juma na mu business tete saying.
Bra, me business kwa na ekofo.
So wan come multi credit.
Dabi, ma ko multi credit.
Me nso makwaje bosia ma na ya me ka o. Me twa susu se me de kwa kotua. Me kwaya. Hwedo befo a ye de ato office no mu kyerese omo de me sika na twane o.
So wan come multi credit.
Ane, ma ko multi credit.
Me nioma abegu port. Ma ya me nya sika nkoyi. Deadline na twam ama abai de nsa ato nioma yi so. Sheka amabo.
So wan come multi credit.
No credit. Ma ko multi credit.
Emum ajadifo bia so den. Se mo come multi credit ya. Enka nya to mu nyina entom. Me be kire mo ne multi credit to me. Woni ama begu port. Na woni account o multi credit kwa na be bo mama ne a. Wo be uni ama na ma. Multi say for 20 days to 20 days na chi no. Nye obenya bia ye bon ma bosia.
Enu bi na adwadifo hema akoye ya. Ene ne so na bom ma bi no. Kane no. Na ne so no. Emo ye hwe ni na nso ode no ho bom multi credit no. Ene ye ka adwadifo a. Ono nso frɛ no ho adwadifo hema.
Multi
credit.
Where bank adwuma bia, savings, current accounts, Vigo, MoneyGram, eSwitch, and MTN mobile money. Bank of Ghana multi credit to me credit and when you know Ghana be bia be ko bia. Fre 03220374118. Someone come multi.
Na ye ni muntra.
Egbele adia nyati akokono bete ono anse da wi abeno we de wa yira adie ye hu hada na se me de ba bia de de wo na me ko aha na se adie de bia pi ha na wo de onim na wo de Aspa Food Group nka do me de akokono ye de masa waya special akokono kebab na ne de wonya ne drink bia asele ana dokoro bi na de bosso a jai Aspa fo atombo ase aya akokono no neat fresh akokono no emomo for beto de koyan kwan ya bomu ya jollof eni anwomo oh eni de de nam ye bia eni se wonya akokono bia wo hia nam bia na hoden a ewo akokono ma buo nipadua no eye too much protein zinc magnesium amino acid eni p eni se wo ye program bi na wo hia akokono kebab a frɛ yen ni enya bi mrɛ na fa self wa hoho
ubenya akokono bi atawo Mango Road KNUST Kumasi Tech Campus
telephone 0542925516 and 0204440456 akokono nam tawanu keke
Korean ginseng tea ya pomudin tea eyema honam yaw enkokra ne mrewa omo yare omo ho tom afei so yema wona wokosko a wosua de eye tea eboa apomudin na wiase afa ne nyina age atom enti se opa apomudin a ene num Korean ginseng tea won sabetimi akebi e wo shopping mall Shell Go pharmacies any online shopping mall so open dudu etu a frɛ Y&J Company Limited 0277555582 and 024
William is a great player. I will be doing great things at Arsenal if Coutinho joins as the rumors spread. And also, no. Okay, Doctor, they are the Abre. No. Baba Musa Edifree, Cologne, Germany. So, like joke, we've succeeded in giving our own man to lead Krobia Santi Kotoko. Well, Nanaya Amponsa, go and graduate in Kumasi. In future, when you are well matured in the game, you come back to the capital to take the mantle. But Hearts should try and extend the contract of Esso because we need him badly. But Sadio, permit me to dedicate the show to Sheikh Taufik Abdul Senu. Happy birthday to him. Alasan Bossing Baba Musa Nedui Ifri Germany, Cologne, and so Ebre. All right, my refie na yemhwe efie ma ekwedi nkan ye Palma de no Asante Kotoko board meeting and also ekoso Heart of Oak and a star assurance for dealer so ekoso any other local stores ayabo no de ebremo kwa miki minim ba be boso sisi ya na fi ye de nsem no enso abremo Naro.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm saying Ghana for Bebre and teacher moment they did football, you know. Cast ruling no. I say ni besiako. Say your reporters been in your central for Bebre Crampo, Ewo, Uro Seko Kupama, Nifi, say senior verdict in the bar amount for BC Ako. Now, once again, Yana, me can say it's important we understand the issues. Clearly, about one and omobeto, and almost Kupama or fairly credibility test because na brand your friend Joseph Pencil or turn on 10% and case Mutiama GF according to the normalization team name inform transamzono one first kanama into onye credible into man of understand
make your man best 3-4 minutes na fi enjina so nyenhwe ayikakra mabamu kakra
general yeah, no say ruling beba, but according to ruling a bit dozen a booklet because I'm ruling on 6 issues and a cast be ruling on 6 issues and a cast be ruling on until you hear no say beba me check it from Palma camp now or more expected lawyer and friend into or train send the communication lawyer and communicate man say aba
okay
into on the train lawyer send the lawyer and be catching that sat now and buy
okay
na me bisa na you discussing and busa say akobase udi for cost no e be den we say akobase udi for per cast mra no GF very fund for 22,000 Swiss francs e dey man
udi for
cost arbitration no tua 44,000 GF part payment na man tua na onu tua no GFA will refund it e dey amano nti eno ne dey me bisa from omo camp no mo ka kire me otherwise minim
okay ono na ka kire
ma check if you ono ne say the city general House of Folk say wo mo Star Life e kan bom ma Star Life for aboa has supporters here pa nti say wo the phobia funeral plan e dey aba for House of Folk for and then she share omaye e dey ato e dey House of Folk eno no say the bia supporters dey be follow na timi aboa wo mo ye papa and so e wo ho eno aket ESO kreku kotena Max TV okotena Max TV e dey se mebre ko tudwa na di kan no mbusa na the fa cast rule no ho o chire mu kakra de fa yinti nsemo a okan ye abro ko Max TV.
Obviously, we know about the processes that led us into the election period. My colleague, Wilfred Kwekwose, was disqualified. And he felt that there was something wrong, so he took the case to CAS. And we're expecting a final award tomorrow. I think that everybody has to be patient. We should look at Ghana football being the ultimate winner. Whichever way the ruling goes, Ghana football will be much, much stronger. Okay, and I believe that we'll continue with this journey of building a product that has been battered for so long, that needs so much attention, and that looks very, very promising in going into the future. So I think that the FA, like we have already said publicly, is ready for whatever ruling that comes out. The FA will respect it. Ghana football will progress beyond that. And I'm sure that after tomorrow, all parties will join hands together and say that, okay, we gave it our best shot. Let's continue in the way that has been directed.
Competitive. In some of the two jam or Sasso Kasai, Edefa, Ayasabre, football come
adi nkrofo yie papa football.com enso adi nkrofo nti enche bia no wode eye football nhihye no enso beba ama manfo enso eni agihu yie pa eno ne se market dituja.
People live on football. Okay, so we're working closely with the sector minister, Honorable Esiama, who has been very, very supportive of us. We're working with the COVID-19 team, and hopefully we should be able to have the clearance to resume football activity fully. I mean, I think that in many, many jurisdictions, people have shown that when they come together, they can bring back footy. And we are not short of quality. We have a lot of quality people on the council. And I believe that we will be able to bring back football. Complicated structure. Complicated in the sense that there are a lot of stakeholders that you need to engage and you need to get their buy-ins, okay? But what we have done, or what we did in the beginning, was to lay hands on all the protocols by the more advanced football nations. So we took copy of the protocols being used by the Bundesliga, by the English FA, by the Czech Football Association, by the Portuguese FA, and by the Spanish Football Association, okay? And then we handed same to the medical committee of the FA led by Dr. Baba.
ES Okreku General wode atudwade afa Ghana football said be anyama be konga kwesi apia enso kasa be bri ni ntima mbobo so wose sabre wose supporters nyina General nchichemu no emwa oso mu nyina hye one umbrellas yenti kwesi apia.
For me ni nyina also a supporter there me nchichemu no for me you're the best for the team because you nyina a team back nana for the team back on air kotoko. It is a way group way no. I think say am because when your players no kuma na ejumadi no supporters no nyina to be hard and spread in empire born in support that team na chia and be my team no atimi agina ana atimi akosare nyina ape but nchichemu ewo supporters mu nchichemu management mu na yakoya na ba. For me, I believe say, yamba kwa mbi sunu yenka mu nyina mum. You know, nyina bom na eno na ebema kumde ana say ebema yen support group no mu ayedin.
James Kwesi apia dia tuja Professor Peter Chumesi wono so akasa wose sabre wo mo ne Ghana Football Association ne COVID-19 for ne nyema ebetima bama football enso aba back na nsenya.
I say at the easing of the restriction and technical for no experts, health experts, no advice, in my assessment of the risk level no from others so become the NGP is so far Ghana situation relatively I think it's coming down. It's coming.
Sergio, it looks like Mickey's head has increased, or it's my laptop. Okay. Alasa bosin wa kata no wo hwe ebi a laptop na ni teams the eternity ebi ameka ho. All right, 5 minutes. Ozai
Sergio okay, yeah. 5 mamenye ni tentem na ja kwa wiki asem. You see the substantive issue ranka sapa manfo ebi a case ni bebre but the here manfo pa no ye say ura o say kwaku pa ma abano mama na nyina bi no de nsem akodan cars. You see I said the scrap of the matter na say Palmer mo argument ni pa ne say 1 sa 10% no na ni kwan se omutua nempo se na se omutua Tema Youth as an institution ena nka na se GFA ne twina so nemum enye obi a oye adwuma wo Tema Youth ana oye Tema Youth panyin ena se omudi aso twen no edema no omo extend argument ni say yemfa ne say bia kotokodeka na kotoko ankutua be associated after 14 days obo match be a better points and be etisa so am pass Tema Youth the car emra ne kire se bobo ko bi de car no entua associated de mano nemum eni kwan se opanyi oye adwuma wo team ne mu ono mum ne etwena so wei epa ne o se ko kupa ma ne nyina so eno nti ode nsem no kodan eye court of arbitration of sports no na yensa nkire mu ze ansana panel no betra se ne ade no na se omutu asika 44,000 euros na sɛ sika no na ɛsi ekyɛm mienu the complainant ayɛ ɔsɛkɔ akupa ama no na ɛsi otua 22,000 euros na GF ɔno nso so yɛde asɛm ato no so no ɔno nso betua nsa na aborɔfo akɔtena asɛm no so na ɔmadi but asɛm ne baayɛ no GF sɛ ɔmu niska ɔmo nyɛ ɔmo adwen sɛ ɔmo de ɔmo asɛm bia ɛkora ɛkɔ cars nti ɔmo ntua sɛ sika no na sɛ sika no so ama ɛsɛ sɛ asɛm no ɔmo ntimi ntena so nti Palmer fato no so sɛ wɔn deɛ obetua nti otua ɔno no 22,000 no ɛna otua GF ɛnso 22,000 44,000 ne nyinaa no ɔno as an individual otua hoping sɛ odi bema sɛ sika no yɛsa bɛdane ɛde ama no ne yɛsa ama na kwanya na watumi akɔ so obedi bema no ndi bema ɛm sɛ yɛmienu nyinaa ne deɛ atwɛn mu a ne yɛwɔ ɛna yɛtwɛn ahwɛ sɛ ne asɛm ne kɔ akɔsi na yɛnsa nkyerɛ mu biom sɛ in sɛ Palmer di bema asekyerɛ no most of said the major issue is say executive council will not be affected by a presidential election no any betumi aye affected say bi on betumi ebiem so obia yensa anto no foforo na yento no foforo say some no de pompon so pa no and say metamna so okay good you see sir Joe House of Folk ne Star Life Sani from insurance company no I think that is a brilliant idea osha omo beso House of Folk asene omo products na omo ton no na omo de house edina bata ho no manya nkrofo edi house echi ne nkrofo ahodo aba be so dwumadi nim omo be use house say eno na omo de boss adwaton de no dawru and I know say eno kan hu bi na ma omo de bus every House of Folk I suspect I don't know the details say players will also be insured because honestly offer House of Folk as a brander my dream said the most important group near the playing body and I expect that insurance will cover players of House of Folk senior na any achite can say player on Nigeria where we are no tuka ko baby ko drive akunya accident krano insurance for 8-year compensation e de ama na busia for kotoko board ni meeting yes the entity unconfirmed ekreze nipa ba ko no mu interview no sisi de on se na no make the betudwa say board chairman no Dr. Cheidi Koto chief of staff and him say opanyin no mapa no name so mbeji atuma na omunye ntumu de ebrene nkrabia na bechire that is the story Mickey did and the information I gather chireze e bia de adru dem so maji atum nti they can pick it up from there clearly Kotoko anytime so omunye omusiwu no munya substantive management intem now if you start here juma hodo can near me the down no sorting out so for me if they are meeting today and if the information we are getting a character hopefully Nema best start here picking for them.
Whatever Mahmoud Across in UK, good morning, all eyes on cast today. Good or bad, we're still waiting. For me, Ouattara, wherever President Entity will be, are they there? I just know where I am. I just know where he is. I'm already there. We are waiting. Okay. We need a kahuna jumano you know. All right. Until we see Ouattara pro message you know. I'm say do mic you know. All right. Kofi mamin to you.
Okay. Then can mamin for we introduce. Over the weekend you know, the Ghana Football Association FIFA a complete course for referee assessors. We got like 10 referee assessors from the 10 football regions in Ghana. On basis the referees enjoying games and that was a wonderful program. I personally participated in the program. It's a very good step to try and build. You see, the opening statement from the FIFA development officer, they said your referees are as good as your assessors. It is all ball league and our assessors in your good and referees no be quite baby, but if the assessors are good, they monitor the referees and try to shape them and develop them. So be to Makosro. Only by I say Ghana now referee and Kaya de Papa see me a coffee. Since I know I did be film on referee some do above from power and then the next 3 to 5 years we see you my part to try and build the referees to enter to CAF and FIFA the current so me I was so happy with the referees assessors course nearby so we're Ghana with FIFA no well and in Kodanchen how to focus now Frank Okam do I can assure you and bet you say after the media will start saying this and then the company involved in free advertisement but after the media no it will be a task on how to focus to try and manage this activation, to try and promote the Umudiaban. Because obviously the company is giving us something, that's why they're expecting something. And then they are ruling out, so media and if you say news, elsewhere in commercial, program, but people have been so magnanimous and now so generous, my media and Obia can be. Only mention because I to commercial, a marks our company. So, but I'm saying is after today, the media will stop saying it. Almost can't start life, no one view. And it's up to her to focus. No more finding strategy and means to try and promote the product.
Okay.
Now, Omar roll out. And okay, tell it to how to folk supporters. Phobia this 01 phobia this 01 phobia this 0. Just say tell it to how to folk support it. So if how to folk supporters leadership and how to folk as an entity, no, I'll promote this idea. Joe, and you don't take me or you to do that for them.
Okay.
And if they expect more, meaning said you have to, prove with this indeed so before bound per corner, but Benjamin Faso to per corner connection. Are you get to understand? Yes. Today, so many strategy and your plan for this and push it. Answer. Yeah. And then got to that. Yes, you expected the CAS verdict. I'm a bit taken aback with make you say we win here, we beat you, we win. When having and we did and could do so. But whatever the case is, the verdict will come up with sound one money. Okay. So my verdict said the consequential. You understand it? They. Where I'm a bit disappointed in CAS for say when we did say bro for CAS na waka one can say by close of 4 August we say buy and I say up to 4 August until me don't mind why me say bit more by 3 August so on bro for na try to buy you so can there na until come me say bit more by 3 August and 3 August and you into ade bet me ewura 4 August ni bit more ba bro for ni Joe, on behalf of the Deputy President of the CAS Appeals Arbitration Division, please be advised that the time limit to communicate the arbitral award to the parties, pursuant to Article R59 of the Code of Sports-Related Arbitration, has been extended until 4th August 2020. If you say, and you know, 4th August, immediately joke about this time, Ghana, here, 12 o'clock with the and get me. Hey, so Oma, and no sister, no more. Cool. So
be a chair. Yeah.
So what did I say?
Okay. Even if it goes in favor of Palmer, the white paper states clearly that Palmer should stay away from the national team. Even if he's challenging it, the nation has spoken. Ajiman etimetim and so we every
which white paper?
Me nimadi
Palmer was not involved. Which white paper?
Nobody else said George Free and anything.
Man, who did sports nation? I don't expect this from him. Ajiman from etimetim. What am I? Because so excuse me to say, oh you mo free radio so no me when hear me who me are you get one?
No,
yeah, negative. Like he keeps up.
Yes.
Announcer he keeps up with us.
One can he.
Oh yeah, like he keeps up. I do not expect this from him.
Okay.
Palmer, there's no such white paper.
Now white paper and moons are
because I said there's no such white paper.
White paper and moons are
what will Palmer pay? What will make Palmer pay more than 40,000 to fight the FA at CAS? There are two things likely to happen. CAS to throw out the case and allow the status quo to remain, or order for a rerun of the election if it was deemed the plaintiff was unfairly disqualified from the race. My question is, did Dr. Kofi Amwa even had that locus to chair the FA elections? He was reported to FIFA for breach of clauses in the FIFA Code of Ethics. In a 3-page letter written to FIFA through the investigatory chamber, Dr. Kofi Amwa was cited to have breached Article 13, Clause 2, 3, and 4 of the General Duties, where he was said to have been heard in an audio engaging in activities that undermined the integrity of his office bestowed to him by FIFA. Michael Abebu, and we also Abba. Nandikem,
so me happy say Oraki to Krekudi to just say whoever obe in the case no Ghana football yen sanko echi say otate obi beka say afini yasan ba spend the time akosi iska wo election ho ba bia anka e fina kwadu die enya no mo nto aso oro say kwakupa ma se clear no na say next 4 years osan ba back ya enu mo mbeboa sejo power there so be take it over coming back is not just easy yan hwe omo ko stand there for GFA elections no and I am ponse dia bam because omo link no to Kotoko where is Amanda Clinton Obiara Fino. Even George Free, I know all the media and everybody behind him. Where is he now? Nidine balance. Neko. And you have Keta on international for the next 4 years. Obey me control the grounds in the next 4 years. So you coming back is not easy. Inti omo kase owinia onya manenka football ninko nanim. Baby aket must start jumadi from 28 December. Said ye share league na sini dibisi ne ye league ni yetwam enti dwumadie bia this is here such we are starting from the scratch say ye be liga ye started from 0 na diako see ye tournament bia ye started from 0 na diako enti bia ye ba be chance bia new de yetwam de sini de yetwam ko ye started our opinion a new page and they are starting enti whoever win the case whether Mr. Ketokreku na be win whether Mr. Osei Kwakupa na be me said you e see you make sure say the womre mu na o see ye di adwuma enti there an issue of ye be san koyechi yanko yanim ye bo na ye stand still ye bo ni ya ba yanko yanim in the last 3 seasons ye bo liga ni atwam enti sadio open ni ntum no sika se Franco na ro kan so open ni atua no so o convert the bagan scam as said you ni ska ketwa enti I'm expecting say whatever the situation ne be minim so obi a twen offer all the platforms so a obon so obi a twen say be the ne be ba na obi a so atimi ahunu ba bia ne gina brewo ye wo production and miki videos radio stations call ro say Kwakupa ma fie say verity ne ba whether positive or negative on betimi anya ne reaction whatever transpired e wo cast it is do say ade ne ba bia mra ne da no na o se ye adwuma eni ye ko yanim ye ko yachi ye ball no ye nko yanim bia bia ne ye wo na Serango no
say ye ko yanim
da bia nko yanim bia say ye nko ba bia
say football ye shada mo football e mo football ndi enu say mentiase mo be na yabo I was here
say league ni ye boy ansa na yetwam ye referees na na the door mo kan say yes kid
do chense we know on share adwuma bia say
he has not done anything extraordinary
okay
and why only anything extraordinary enti so bia anything extraordinary dia ho na ye ka se da bi opani na cha se aduru ni de enwuram ni nyai obi a was spending so much no na on to aso sa but why be but only anything extraordinary it is do yen hwe se verdict ne ba obi a twen amanfo we interest to me bi nso ni interest to but ade ne ba baby da no and I said you make sure say the better on the issue of Asufuku said you achikan about said the house for BC benefited from this particular insurance urban house of folk supporting group no say net ye ne e ho na wo se ye hwe omo chapters no say net ye say na function say na ye adwuma house of folk chapters no ahodo say na co stadium mo follow omo team no say house etukwan a Kumasi for no kwan di akiri and you can ask anybody until just even where the team is located no the supporting fraternity also omo give that on floating support to the team no say yo omo kro ni team na ti sa and obia be expect say oba be sponsor team a obi team enya bibi kakra from the team and the supporters no omada supporters no omo follow team no supporters leadership no and also say yo omo make sure say omo betimi a bring the enthusiasm ne back omo betimi the supporters na omo da omo follow team ne back because Mr. Elvis me kai the last time or board meeting by supporters the question on omo nya beef say no omo na so man so nko and all this news na bre and all these things because I said yo obey na supporters na omo atena because the team is not performing and yen na him say you different types of supporters you the loyal supporters omo care about the results of the match the besi bia omo be di atire ene wo bi mu so ho a omo de ma team ni ko ye team ni wenya na omo follow and it is about the leadership of the supporters and also omo make sure say Omo tena fie, omo follow team no. Omo nya close to the Heart of Folk team no recently. Say yo, omo di omo nyina beba. So omo di omo nyina ba dia. And then sponsors na eba on board no. Eno no omo betimi anya bibia free na other sponsors nso watira say yo, omo so watimi aba beka watimi activity that particular insurance no. No omo nya more numbers a ebetimi a promote insurance no. No omo so anya bibi kakra free man. So be baso about sponsor how to focus you. On so betimi bibi aba beka.
Emrena so can me busa will take on Asante Kotoko meeting no or expectations and let me say omo dinka bobo so
Sergio, me expect in just 1 minute. Me expect say players ne ka don mo di omo no mo betua. Me expect say obi a wo de so se me nya ne ka. Obi omo di ne ka bia mpanimfo omo go ska bebre. Fans di omo agibia. Eti da bi now. O so omo san ko tia. Na fans bebrebe na dia. Enis kanija. Ana me boa. Fans bebrebe ni na eskanija. Ah kotoko support do omo nsesu omo boka se omo wo mkrofo omo wo sika twitwiri die no. Enti wo kwa akode ka ere. E wo so omo tia players ne ka. Obi omo de ne ka o team bi omo tia na fans nko bi apre.
Ka nu bi ho so a no shi.
Ebi omo
match. Ebi se Knox Hotel no ene kabia ehupa saka no muni kente no
sejo omu nyina wo sika
onto butia fans no ga omu dia
that's what can wa
omu je no
fans no omu je
andi ti obi man fans
the club now is migrating to
do me noble
anyhow
do me noble
this is some the kind of
almost fans now
can Newton explain to us what XG chain 90 and XG build up 90 tomorrow unless he has time today. Back Makati na di free Saks Pharmacy. Kumasi mo.
Sergio, look anu na kami bisa House of Folk. How?
Na we ndi je
ano de so search na. Ono mu kra search na. Sergio, on the fly with that screen you how phobia or madache phobia we any fans no more benefit. But players also benefit on this particular delay say. Players no a be say be oko 6 months injury, you be cover no. Oko 2 months injury be cover no. Esiki hu detail how
be no just players don't count.
So
Joe, but
so far the publicity is maybe they are releasing it in.
That also when they are looking for people to subscribe. That one they don't publicity.
Okay.
So we have to engage the folk for them to explain.
Then ama yadi unko kakra no. Na holiday. Na ye train cars ruling no.
And I'm hope. We're hoping and we say expecting say before program we bend and I refuse them and I'm say hold on me
okay.
So we could have discussed.
But if you know Charles no a driver.
Kesbe Group.
Yeah, Charles Methodist Church.
If I'm not wrong.
Charles Apia. Okokoye Moko. Oh, come on. I rehearse about and say Efrim. Yeah. The Efrim. Yeah. Maybe that Ebe. And 1 week in the Basu Bantama Methodist Church. Charles Yamayako near Bushani Namichi. And then and then they
go for 1 week in this year,
Mimin Debe. Oh, okay, this is wow. Okay.
Every day you be kaka.
All right. Yevesia. Enti Nambwa, Eversani mo shebi. Alibaba. Dankambari.
Kasi be join Alibaba na ya train car.
Sa na you. Na ano dem fan train car. Ali Dankambari Ziga and others. The breaking news no every. Eda mu nyina si Eversani mo shebi.
But I think some from now ko Zurich. Okay. So no ne kwa so ujino kwa na. To mu tapi we ya ne kono no e big.
Oh, that's a joke.
So Somalia for me so mu nya visa no ko Zurich.
Simple. Our brother from Somalia. Mova kamera nto no so dem fampon.
Na mo
fanto.
So dia ka se boa.
Fatu na
rufu. So Somalia no no.
Fatu mo anas zoom ni ye. Mansiri ye pa normal face.
Oh Somalia ni ano.
Ye pa normal face no. Yes. Somalia ni.